All right. We're at this building, Karl Johans gate. Does it say? It doesn't say the brand. EuroHeis. The capacity is cut off by the drop ceiling. It's not even drop ceiling, it's literally just drywall. Or 50 kilograms. Oh, look, that's the motor room up there. Funny. Okay, it's locked. EuroHeis. Excuse me. Also, look how dark it is. It's only 5:23 and it looks like it's like the middle of the night. Wait, what? It just locked off. That's funny. I got a full ride just in the nick of time. That is so weird.